On this episode of Real Life Genetic Disorders, living with progeria.
We follow Maggie, a 6-year-old girl living with progeria, and her parents, Katrina and Mark White.
Hi, I'm Katrina White, and this is my husband, Mark. 4.5 years ago, we noticed that our daughter Maggie wasn't developing normally.
We noticed at a checkup that she was underweight and had also begun to lose her hair.
I've noticed your daughter hasn't been developing at the proper rate. I would like to run some tests just to make sure she's okay. The results from the blood test should be back in about a week.
A week later, Dr. Haven called us into her office to discuss the test results.
Thank you both for coming back. This is Dr. Hopkins. She is a genetic counselor. We are very sorry to tell you that Maggie has been diagnosed with progeria.
What is progeria?
Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome is premature aging. It's a genetic disorder that is not inherited. The control center of the cell is called the nucleus. This is what a normal nucleus looks like. However, this is what Maggie's looks like.
Why does hers look like that?
Progeria is caused by a mutation in the protein called lamin A. The lamin A protein, along with the lamin C protein, stabilize the nuclear membrane.
Is this very common?
Not at all. Only around 100 people have it in the whole world. It's not passed down by parents, meaning the disorder is not hereditary. However, it is a dominant chromosomal mutation, so you only need one copy of the mutation to have the disease.
Can she live like a normal kid?
She will have the same mental capacity as any other child her age. However, there are some physical limitations.
Such as?
Maggie has fragile bones and stiff joints. Her heart is weak, and she might encounter heart problems in the future.
So she will grow to be a normal adult?
Unfortunately, most children with progeria only live to the age of 13. Most children die of heart disease.
Is there anything to cure it, to give her more time?
There is no cure, unfortunately. However, we have noticed that some things are helping the other kids.
There's a cancer drug called FTI. Regular cardiovascular checkups are helpful, and many kids have coronary artery bypass surgery.
Low-dose aspirin, extraction of primary teeth, vitamins, and light exercise can also help. Immunizations are really important too. This is the Progeria Handbook. It will give you a lot of websites that can really help with progeria and with support groups.
Thank you for all of your help.
We would appreciate it if you kept up with your bi-monthly checkups.
Today, Maggie is midway through kindergarten and succeeding. She hasn't let this disease hold her back and recently joined the soccer team.
I may look different from other kids, but I love my life and can do the same things as other kids my age.
Let this disease hold her on.
Progeria syndrome is premature. Can you do that again?
Okay, so we're good?
Wait, is this
Previously on Real Life. On this episode of Real Life Genetic Disorders.
I can't!